application window. When you click on the File tab, it opens the File menu, which provides various options related to managing files and settings. Here are some common options you will find under the File tab. New. This option allows you to create a new workbook from scratch. You can choose from various templates or start with a blank workbook to build your spreadsheet. Open. Clicking on Open enables you to browse your device, OneDrive, or other locations to open an existing workbook. You can also access recently opened workbooks from the list provided. Info. The Info option provides essential details about the current workbook, such as file properties, permissions, and version history. You can view and edit document properties, check for compatibility issues, and access advanced settings related to sharing and protection. Additionally, the Info section often includes options to manage document versions, allowing you to track changes and revert to previous versions if needed. Save/Save As. These options allow you to save the current workbook to your preferred location. Save updates the existing workbook, while Save As lets you save a copy of the workbook with a new name or in a different location. Print. Use this option to print the current workbook or configure printing settings such as page layout, orientation, and margins. Share. The Share option enables you to collaborate with others by sharing the workbook via email, OneDrive, or other platforms. You can specify permissions and invite others to view or edit the workbook. Export/Save As. With this feature, you can export the workbook in different formats, such as PDF or CSV. Save As provides additional options for saving the workbook in various file formats compatible with Excel and other applications. Options/Settings. Access application settings and preferences to customize your Excel experience. This includes options related to formulas, proofing, advanced settings, and add-ins. Account. View information about your Microsoft account, such as your profile, subscription status, and connected services. Feedback. Provide feedback to Microsoft about the Excel application. You can share your suggestions, report issues, or request new features to improve the software. Exit/Close. Use these options to close the current workbook or exit the Excel application. These options may vary slightly depending on the version of Excel you are using and whether you are using the desktop version or the web version, Excel Online. The File tab serves as a central hub for managing files and accessing important functions in Excel.